Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lower refrigerator door hinge assembly in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 3/16 Allen wrench, socket wrench with 8mm head with an extension, and some duct tape. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lower refrigerator door hinge assembly. The lower refrigerator door hinge is mounted at the bottom of the refrigerator cabinet. It allows the refrigerator door to close properly. If the door won't close completely on its own, check and replace the lower door hinge assembly. We're going to start with opening both doors. Now I'm going to open that filter door, and then we're going to grab this grill at the bottom with both hands and pull it out. I'm going to close the doors, and next I'm going to tape the door down to the cabinet with a piece of duct tape. Next, we're going to remove this upper hinge. I'm going to use a 3/16 Allen wrench. And now I'm going to remove the hinge. All right, I'm going to peel off the tape from the door. I'm going to keep it there back. Now I'm going to open the door and remove it from the bottom hinge. At this point, I hope you removed everything from the door shelves. Pull it up straight, and we're going to take it away somewhere where it can lay on its side while we're replacing the hinge. To remove this hinge, we need to take out the two 8mm screws that holds it. I'm using a socket wrench, 8mm head, and with an extension. It's important to have an extension. And I'm going to finish it manually. Don't lose this shim. I'm going to place it down. This is the old lower refrigerator door hinge assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. While the grill is off and you're already down on the floor, use the opportunity to clean this condenser coil. Brush it, vacuum it, spray it with the soap. Now it's time to install the hinge. First, we're going to place the shim right at the back of the hinge, and I'm going to place the screw through the both holes, and I'm going to install it. Now I'm going to use the socket wrench, which is 8mm head, and I'm going to tighten it. All right, let's place the door on. Before installing the door on the new hinge, we would like to check this door cam at the bottom of the door. Make sure that it's not worn out or cracked. All right, I'm going to bring in the door and place it on the hinge. Match this opening of the door with the hinge. Be careful with your fingers. All right, so let's align the door so the space would be the same. And we're going to put tape on. All right, now I'm going to install the hinge. Going to match the holes, which is easy because we have those two pilot holes here. And we're going to install this couple of screws. I'm going to use a 3/16 Allen wrench, and I'm going to tighten them. And now I'm going to peel off the duct tape. And now we're going to open both doors. And next, we're going to install the grill at the bottom. To install the button grill, we need to insert these two mounting pins into these two brackets here inside the fridge. Bring it over, align the holes, push it in. Then we can close the door. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.